Some people might want to know it, but it is possible to be done, but it's very complicated. Yeah. Today I want to talk about artificial synchronization, because I've been talking about natural synchronization for quite some time. But most of you people might want to also do artificial synchronization, which is not bad, but it has a lot of complications, like in these small ruminants. For our cows, what we do what they call pregnancy diagnosis. I can put my arm in, I do the palpation, then I find out whether the animal is open or not open. But for these small ruminants, you cannot do what they call palpation, like rectal palpation, because they are small organs. So what do we do? If you can get a scanner, you completely confirm that this animal is not on heat. Or you can get actually scanner, or also, I don't know whether there is also these papers that they use, or I don't know how they call them, I'm just forgetting about them. Or HCG, you take the urine and then you can sample those. If you can do it and it can give you really a right sample and confirm that this animal is not pregnant, it's good and well, you can use it. But the moment you apply hormones when an animal is pregnant, that's a gone deal. That animal will definitely get a miscarriage. But let me take you the process, because most of the time what we use a hormone called GnRH. GnRH hormone, you inject it to those animals. Then after confirming that that animal is not pregnant, but that animal is healthy, don't do synchronization like on this kind of animal. When you look at an animal like that, the body prominences are on, looks to be sick. So even if you synchronize it, it's not going to help you. So look at an animal that looks healthy, like the way you see this animal looks healthy, that one can come on heat. Look at these animals, like this one can come on heat. So apply the GnRH, then give it 6 days, because what you are trying to develop, we are trying to develop or to boost other hormones to come up. Because when GnRH happen in the body, the system of the animal, it will let the body secrete a hormone called the LH. So if the LH comes in the body system, of course, it will lead the body to secrete another hormone called FSH, the follicle stimulating hormone. Then if the FSH happens in the body of the animal, it will definitely build what they call the Cooper's solutium. The Cooper's solutium will come with a hormone called progesterone. If that hormone of progesterone comes, it will definitely let the body secrete another hormone called the PGF2 alpha, which is the prostaglandin. So what do we do? If you apply GnRH, take 7 days, the body will work out itself in those 2 hormones, actually in 3 hormones. Then after the 6th day, we hope that an animal has definitely developed what they call the CL, and that CL most of the time is present because progesterone is existing in the body. So what do? You apply a hormone called PGF2 alpha. The PGF2 alpha, if you inject it on the 6th day or 7th day, actually it would be nice on the 6th day, it will start reacting in the body, and it will let the body regress the progesterone hormone and increase the prostaglandin. So you get the PGF2 alpha, and the body definitely, the animal definitely will start to react. So if you use GnRH today, take 6 days, give PGF2 alpha or synchromate, then start observation. Within 3 days, that animal will show you the signs of heat, and you will definitely serve after 7 days. After 7 hours of showing you the signs of heat. Those who wants to do artificial insemination, or what you do after doing all your tests, like you have applied you have done your tests of maybe a scan, then confirmed the animal looks healthy, you're feeding it well. What do? Give it the GnRH. Then after giving it GnRH, give it 7 days. If you give it 7 days, then apply the PGF2 alpha. So after applying the PGF2 alpha, let the male go in. So if the male goes in, definitely will give you very good results. They'll all come on heat within 3 days and they will be bred. In cows, we even use what they call cedar. Those are the vaginal implants. If you inject GnRH today, you can as well give the cedar. You put the cedar in the vagina, then you let it be there. On the 6th day, you inject PGF2 alpha, and then you pull out the cedar on the 7th day. Then you do the observation. So that is a process, but that process will definitely need the technicians, the AI technicians, and they can as well do it by themselves, and they can let you. So you put in some money, let the people do it for you if you want it that way. Let the people use that process and then put in the male, but make sure even the male is being fed very well. I don't use that here because I don't want to put in a lot of money, because that's a cost. It's a lot of some good cost. So you guys, let me just wish you the best. If you want to do it, it's also an ideal that you can have animals in group in that kind of process. And bye for now.